All right, first thing you do is you want to pull his brief down a little bit so we have some room to work. You tuck one in there, and then put the other one here off to the side and tuck it in. That way anything that falls out that we don't catch, the chuck will. Yep, that's it. Now we're going to use the adhesive remover spray that I discussed earlier. Now this is just a solid barrier, so this won't help that much. Removing this, but it doesn't hurt. So you can see I got a little bit pulled up there. So what I like to do is get this and then tease it up. That's less irritation on the skin for him. So I'll get all of this up first before taking the bag off. Thank you.
I would say it's easier to do this on the bags.
Yeah, it's easier to do when the bag's obviously not full.
So empty it then.
So we're taking the bag off. The bag's done.
Throw that away.
Now, what I'm going to first do is clean the stool away from the stoma with the dry. I have a bucket there in case you need it.
Okay.
Put it in. Hey, listen, I'm just going to put this bar soap in this bucket.
Yeah.
Here.
Those two. I can hold one while you're cleaning. Switch off.
So what I'm going to do now is I had a bucket of hot water over there with some Dial soap. Now what we have now, we have to clean all this adhesive remover off and around here, and then clean the stoma itself. It helps if it's hot water. It's easier on him, on anybody really, than cold water. So now that that's dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat dry this initially. Let me get the measuring.
I can start a new video.
So right now, there's a little bit of adhesive down here. That's okay. We can give the adhesive remover. You just give me a spray here. So there's a little bit of adhesive down there. So I just put a little bit on here. As you can see, it just comes right off. There, so it's a completely clean area. I'm just going to clean this some more. And then you always want to keep one of these over the stoma itself because stool's always coming out. And you don't want to mess up your workspace. So now that everything's clean and dry, what we're going to do